back, everyone. If you're new here, subscribe. So, we just drove around basically the front half, as I like to call her. And this is the back half. This is a deer stand that is 5x8, and it goes from what does it go for? It's 5 and 6. It's a slant. It's a lean. It's a slant roof. And there we come back and check the shape of this old girl out. I built this 9 years ago. Practically by myself. I hand dug the post, and my dad helped me carry the walls up, and he held the ladder rise on the roof. Other than that, it's a solo project for me. I don't show much back here. Well, I've been working on the front half so much past couple years, but my dad had this place logged, and well, it's pretty devastating. Let's just say that. Let's just say the truth. And as you can tell, like where I'm at, and this was on the edge of the woods. There's a big old stump and tree right here, and they just did not give a fuck. I hate fucking loggers. Let's just state the obvious. Not all loggers are the same. Well, this person tuned me out, right out. So, I mean, we'll be back here a lot more next year, as I've got that front half about thinned down. A lot of the dead stuff is out, and then I'm going back here. I'm going to be in this section of woods mostly, probably. And I might get in over here. There's a lot more damage here than there is over there, but I've got some ash trees I'm going to get out, of course, and then I'm going to try to get that done, and then me and Dad will be in here, and then that wood section back there, that's what we call the big woods. That's where all the damage had occurred. So I thought I'd come back here and check this thing out. Check the inside out. I see the squirrels were working on the bottom of the floor. Did I get hit by any wasp yet? No. Damn mud dogs. Ooh, yeah, there's a big wasp nest right there. So, I'm going to go get some spray. Hit this on my way out. Actually, not today. But actually, after they logged, I put in this window here. They got any nests over there? No, just that big one there. That's going to be real fun to hit. I need to have a can back here, I guess. But, yeah, I put, after they logged, hell, you couldn't, there was no need to have a window back here. So after they logged, I had to put one back here. Damn thing's eating the chair. Wish I had some. Well, let's get out of here for now. So yeah, just a little farm update. Haven't been doing too much. Pretty damn dry. Pretty dusty. Done with firewood for the year, as you can tell. Thought I'd show you what kind of mess we're gonna have next year on firewood, because there's gonna be quite a bit. A lot of pulling to the front half, maybe, or out in the open, not on a hill in the middle of the woods. Maybe, I don't know. Have to see. It's hard to tell right now. Everything's so growed up. If there's a good landing or wood yard. So yeah, I'll have to throw in some pictures just so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. When I was building my deer hut, what it looked like behind it and around it. I'm pretty sure I got some pictures, because if you might have noticed when we come in, well, actually, we want to stand on the ladder, this right side. I forget how you're looking at it, but the right side, it's got like 3 posts there. That's because the loggers, they smacked it. Didn't say anything about it, and never paid for the lumber to fix it. Piece of shit. Well, I don't care if it was $200 or what, but we at least paid it. It's like $240, $230, $235, $240. So yeah, we did have a mishap the other day. It'll be my next video, and it's literally like right here, so I can't. Probably already showed it, but so yeah, I'll show them pictures. I know I have a picture of it not grown up after I did the repair, or as grown up as bad. Yeah, it's devastating. We personally would have never had that done. If the outcome was like that, we would have done more of a selective cut, like. You can go back here in the big woods, and then we'll clean that up, and then you can come over here, and then we'll clean that up, just to keep it more cleaned up and managed. But didn't have no call on that. That was my dad's call, so sweet. Away she goes. I need to load up this wall spray right here and go hose them things down, so I'll do that another time. Well, I'll see y'all in the next one. Come on. Yeah, we'll be back on the back half of the property, doing some wood next year. We probably definitely gonna get back here, but because, well, there's a lot of damage in here, and then over here they just kind of put stuff in brush piles or wherever they was. So yeah. So let's ride in there real quick. To have a path that went right through there. Well, we could drive over the fence line, I guess. Top load. Shit's everywhere. No regard for property. I don't know if I want to go this way or not. Feeling this way, yeah. Probably an ash. Probably have to cut them down. That's what I do anymore. This is like big all water, or locust, not water. Just so much shit you get in here and get to work on this shit. And what is that? Red oak? That's fell since I've been back here last time. Looks like a red oak. That's right. Some ash, locust in front of me. And we'll ride this ridge on out. Definitely gotta take your time. And right there's a new fence that I just did. That comes around and shoots out. The old fence is about 15 feet towards us. So it's like right in that little bald spot right here. And then it goes. I didn't tear. There's like a section there I couldn't tear out because there's just so much shit right here.
baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go.